Withdraw money from TikTok to Cash App is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you. Yesterday withdraw money from TikTok to Cash App, so for that you simply have to go to your TikTok application, and then you TikTok application you have to tap on your profile, and in your profile you have to tap on these three lines which will open up the menu bar, and here you simply have to app on settings and privacy. Now after tapping on that you will see various options. You simply have to tap on balance, and in the balance section it will tell you how much money you have in your TikTok account. So as you guys can see currently in my case it is 0, which means I don't have any money. So but in your case it should have some money. You just simply have to tap on that, and now it will open up the payments that you have in your TikTok or how much you want to withdraw. So you just need to enter the amount of money that you want to withdraw, and after that you simply have to tap on withdraw. As you guys can see currently I don't have any money that I can withdraw, so I cannot go to the withdraw options. But in the withdraw option there are only two payment methods, which Payoneer and PayPal. So in order to withdraw money to your bank account you simply have to attach your bank account with a PayPal, which is a pretty easy thing to do. You just need to go with your PayPal, and in the PayPal will easily be able to attach your bank account or your debit or credit card, whatever you want to do. But if you don't have a PayPal and you simply have just like Payoneer, there just do avoid the PayPal, but you only have the instructions. You can only withdraw using these two options, so you just need to utilize them. You can add bank accounts into the Payoneer as well. Payoneers have the local bank account. You can also add your bank accounts or any of the payment option you want in your PayPal as well. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this to the helpful.